grounds, and we agreed that it is not for any party to go into any region to seek membership. And we are aware that UDA has already infiltrated our area. That's their democratic right. What we're doing is talking to our people and sensitizing them that we as a party, we have a stand, and our stand is to strengthen the economy of this country so that our people can live decent lives. Yes. And then emphasis is now on recruiting members. And you are playing with the psychology because you know they are poor. Yeah. So you give them 500, you give them 1,000, people come after you. Yes. And in the process, you stabilize the strong and stable party we have in our area. So we want to tell the public the plans, and we are going to counter them. We are getting stronger to go out there and start countering and tell the people the truth on the ground.
House is ODM. We want to tell those people, even if they have money, we are not afraid. Money is not everything. They will bring their money with it, but at long last, we will remain ODM. In this zone, we are ODM, and we are telling them we are ODM.
We encourage you that all the times we are encouraging you to stand with the party all the time. As party officials from the grassroots, we are here also to represent the other members from the grassroots, and we are speaking in one language, that from here we are going to strengthen party. We have good strategies on how to encounter the UDA move.
Na twabe tuikirie rohani